Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Washington, local and long-distance movers near me. If you're moving more than 50 miles away, it is a long-distance move. 3 Movers offers both intrastate and interstate movement. Our movers assist you in creating a moving plan that fits your timeline, budget, and specifications. They're also highly efficient and sort your things carefully to prevent damages. Our moving trucks are also the best standards. They accommodate, secure, and transport your belongings smoothly. Moving over 50 miles requires a great deal of road knowledge. Our drivers are also professionals. They have years of experience and are conversant with minor and major roads. They also follow every highway rule and regulation. We ensure the safety of your belongings and are always on time. Local moves are less complex than long-distance moves, but the sad reality is that your belongings can still get damaged in the process and things can get messy. You need to plan adequately. Even if you move down the street, it prevents unnecessary stress and damages. 3 Movers offers highly efficient local moves in Washington. We assist locals in planning and executing their move with ease. We also have adequate insurance that covers risks in place. Our moving services are also very affordable. We keep our moving rates as low as $30 to $40 per hour. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Washington moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.